Okay, so my name is Rashmi and there are 5 members in my family including me. So I have my elder sister, she's an artist, and I have my younger brother who's in 12th right now. So I am the middle child, जिसके बहुत सारे memes भी बनते हैं. So yeah, and I come from the Shahadra, Delhi. I come from a core business family. Like my grandfather has a business which he passed on my father. My father is a businessman and a trader, and my mother is a homemaker.
My name is Arman Singhal and I live in Rohini, Sector 8. And in my family there is father, mother and my little brother and my grandmother. So my brother is pursuing, he will give the paper of NEET. He wants to be a doctor. So my father is a businessman and my mother is a businesswoman also, but she also is a housewife too. So she has done a course and she also runs institute Mind Genie named. So she improves the handwriting and maths and abacus and mind reading, all things.
So myself, Arya Mishra. There are 4 members in my family. Me, my mother, father and my younger brother. He is in 9th standard. Currently he has an interest in the YouTube journey, so he used to play games a lot. And yeah, I am come from Bhajanpura, near to the Shadra itself. Like my mother is a housewife and my father is a businessman. We have a business of medicine distribution.
I wanted to pursue psychology, not the BBA, and the fun fact is I didn't know about the BBA till 12th. Like I gave the CUET, I didn't score really well, so I was just searching what other courses would be beneficial for me. So I somewhere talked to maybe 30 to 35 counselors to so many colleges about the courses and all. So one of them suggested me, maybe from the college Deco, suggested me how about to do BBA or BCA, you can do that as well. So I searched about BBA and I thought it's a business core thing, so I should do it. So one fine day, one of the Sunstone counselor called me and they told me about all the things, like why Sunstone is better from the other colleges and what special they are giving to me. So there are specialization that they are giving me, so I thought it is best. So that's how I ended up in the Sunstone.
So basically I heard about Sunstone. First I completed my 12th in 2022, but I took a drop year and I did many other things, like I did digital marketing, I did CA course, I did accountant course, and I also did my own startup of plywood. And after that the CUET were filling forms were ended on 13th. So my father said कि अब आप CUET भर लो तो एक बार college का exposure ले लो, because there are social pressure and peer pressure, everything. So my father was like कि हाँ, you should take a opportunity and take the exposure of the college. But I said the forms are off now. So from a friend I heard कि there is a Sunstone named specialization course which they offer. So then I got to meet Neeti ma'am and I went to JCC and I had the Sunstone that time.
Okay, so like after the CUET results, I was searching for the colleges, like which college is best for the BBA, because in CUET I have done one mistake. I didn't fill the BBA. I have filled the BSc. But after some counseling sessions, I decided to do with the BBA only. So I was searching for the best colleges. Then there were multiple skilling partners, college Deco and all these things. So I filled multiple registration form. Then I got a call from Sunstone. We have a talk with Umang sir. So yeah. So he told me about various colleges, like about JD Goenka, but the JUNCR was the nearest one from my location. So yeah, I from there I learned about Sunstone, and then I searched about it, like when it was started and how it is going on. And then I saw it is working in Pan India, so it's a very great company and all.
So my father is a scrap dealer and he has business of it in Delhi itself. And yeah, so he wanted me to actually do some kind of professional degree, but not psychology. According to him, psychology is something by which I cannot make money. He used to think that. So it was kind of a pressure on me to do not exactly BBA, but some kind of thing जिससे market में value हो जिसकी. So yeah.
So the favorite part of my campus life was the freshers time. Like we all were new there and बहुत सारे लोगों से हम उस टाइम न्यू, जब हमारा एक तो फर्स्ट डे था ना, इट वाज रियली एक्साइटिंग कि हम लोग फर्स्ट डे से ही मैं और रश्मि बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे जब हम आए ही थे. या सो हम तब से ही साथ थे एंड इन द फ्रेशर्स हमें बहुत एक्सपोजर मिला था बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम वो थोड़ा सा थ्रिलिंग भी था मेरे लिए बिकॉज आर coordinator Neeti ma'am was not well that time, and as I was the class representative, so I was the bridge between the Sunstone and the university. Like क्योंकि जो चीज़ें थी वो university करवा रही थी, freshers उनकी तरफ से थी, we are the part of that. So I was the bridge and I learned various things, and also at that time like the friends which came with me, the BCA, they हम तभी मिले थे. So like we have a like performance of music performance. The Ayush who come with us, he's a singer. He's a very good singer. So हम तभी मिले थे. तो yeah, from that our friendship started and मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मेरे को लगा था कि यार फ्रेशर्स के बाद की काम है, जब तक बात हो रही है उसके बाद नहीं हो रही, बट उसके बाद लाइक मुझे लाइफ में इतने अच्छे दोस्त नहीं मिले जो मुझे यहाँ आके उस फ्रेशर्स के बाद मिले. एंड अब लगता है सीरियसली कि लाइक क्या फ्रेंडशिप हैज़ कि वो जा सकती है एक एंड पॉइंट तक, बिकॉज इससे पहले जो भी मेरी फ्रेंडशिप्स थी लाइक कि वो होता है ना कि जब तक काम है, जब तक मतलब है, तब तक बात होगी. तो इसलिए मुझे यही लगा था कि आफ्टर फ्रेशर्स हाँ ठीक है अभी बात हो रही है बट उसके बाद नहीं होगी. तो नहीं, उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं हुआ. लाइक इट हैज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट जर्नी, अप्स एंड डाउन्स इन द फ्रेंडशिप, बट वी आर मेंटेनिंग द फेस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड ऑल्सो या दैट टाइम वाज वेरी ग्रेट. वी हैड अ ग्रेट एंजॉय एट दैट टाइम. या राइट?
Yes, I do agree with Arya. Like friends are most important in the college, which I firmly believer of that. For me, the most exciting and a good part like during while pursuing this degree is the internship. Like I really love doing internship. I did an internship as an human resource intern, and currently also I am pursuing I am doing an internship. So it is something which gives me the practical exposure. I always used to think that whatever I am doing, whatever I am studying, like theoretically, how am I going to, I never applied that knowledge because till 12th I haven't. So in my semester 2 I have learnt about the human resource. It was my subject back then. So now as I did the internship, whatever the learnings were there in the subject, I was able to apply all those learnings. So this is the fun fact which I'm really loving.
The funnest part is meeting the friends only, and I made very close friends, and there are 3 friends, and we did a startup together of the trading company. And I guess there is a teacher also who conducted the guest lecture. Exactly, I don't remember the name. She's from this. I saw her outside a few seconds ago. So she was like, "Ki हाँ मतलब we conducted," and she said कि we will conduct your interview. So yeah, we 4 friends started the startup of the trading company of organic products and the sanitary products. So yeah, it was a good journey overall, and we learned many things. First, the startup is that we have created the online platform, social media platform, and basically it's a trading company. So we are buying the products, and it is we are selling to the other company, because we want to do our own startup where we manufacture and then sell to the wholesalers. But it's right now trading, so it's okay. Not I will not say it's not too good, but haan.
Like I have done one internship. It was an on-site internship at Noida at Asia Tech, and it was a 45 days internship in the human resource. I was a human resource intern. So yeah, I have managed all the things like screening resumes, taking interviews, onboarding, and sometimes the seniors also like took me in the matters of employer relations, and she also told me about the salary slips and all these things. So yeah, and I'm currently pursuing one more internship in human resource itself. It is going to end around 14th of December.
The normal students, they are like कि teachers are not focusing. First of all, that's the major drawback. in our, there are the teachers who are focusing on us, who are also मतलब putting efforts कि हाँ पढ़ लो, it's important. They also tell the things कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे करोगे तो ऐसे ऐसे अच्छा होगा लाइफ में. They guide us in the everything. And उसके बाद जो हमारे JCC जो Sunstone है, they are also conducting the teachers and guest lectures where the मतलब good speakers come and they tell us how to act and how to everything. But in JCC I feel उसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. मतलब they only come to college, they are writing and everything is theoretical, nothing no practical. But in Sunstone it's good.
Also like कि अगर कुछ इवेंट होता है तो उनके यहाँ मोस्टली बड़े स्केल पे होगा, जो कि like in 2 months और in 3 months होगा. But in Sunstone we have the opportunity to conduct the class events like once in a week, which is the Friday one. So yeah, we weekly schedule the events, and we we are learning various things from that event. We really opened up from that event, right?
Yes, events really gave us the exposure of gain the confidence, which is one thing which we are the live examples, you both can agree on this.
Yeah.
Right.
We have significantly increased our confidence because if we are sitting here and we can speak in front of the camera, we were not able to speak or say anything because we were camera shy or we were people shy, because as you do the events, your confidence gains. And yeah,
basically there is our ma'am Shipra ma'am and Shivinder sir who conducts the presentation, and मतलब if you will ask the journey of मतलब us, so वो बताएंगे कि हम कहाँ से start हुए थे. मतलब we were no speaking, मतलब एकदम exposure zero and मतलब अपना रहना पहले आप वाले.
हाँ, ये पहले जाएंगे. Now it's कि
हमें पहले कर दो क्योंकि हमारा ज़्यादा बड़ा है तो हम जल्दी हो जाएगा, लेक्चर ख़त्म नहीं होगा. So it's us now.
And also it's Sunstone कि जहाँ पे जब हम देखते हैं कि जब internals की marking होती है तो usually teachers take the test and all. या tests हमारे भी होते हैं, but they are mainly internals are focusing around the presentations. They took the presentation of our subject so that उन्हें भी पता लगे कि हमें कितनी knowledge है हमारे subject की, और from that they also teach us जहाँ हम lack करते हैं, जो भी चीज़ें गलत होती हैं या फिर जो भी best हो सकता है वो हमें वहाँ पे guide करते हैं.
Before coming to college, it was like करण जौहर वाली मूवी कि आएंगे एंट्री वैसी होगी, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना. सो वो सबका होता है, मतलब आई गेस, ठीक है. तो लेकिन बट जब वी केम, सो पहले तो ये लगा था कि स्कूल है, कि भाई 9:30 बजे आना है. अगर 9:30 पे 9:31 भी हो जाएंगे, सो द गेट्स विल बी क्लोज्ड. सो ठीक है, इट वॉज लाइक स्कूल. So 9:30 पे हम आए कॉलेज एंड मतलब वी वेंट इन, बट सेकेंड डे एज यूजुअल वी गॉट लेट. सो इट वाज लाइक कि हाँ आज पूरी क्लास बाहर है. सो मतलब इट वाज लाइक हेक्टिक एंड ऑल. बट फिर एज ऑन वी गो सेमेस्टर 1 सेमेस्टर 2 सेमेस्टर 3 तक वी गेट टू नो इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हाँ ये होना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी द रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. इफ देयर वुड बी नो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इट वुड बी लीनियंट. सो पढ़ाई भी लीनियंट ही होगी, फिर बैक ही आएगी लाइक नॉर्मल JCC स्टूडेंट्स.
The number of back counts is more lesser in Sunstone than compared to the main campus.
I guess right now in Sunstone no one got back, but in JCC I have friends also, as I am very extrovert. So I know many who have given 7 back. मतलब in semester there are 7 subjects and they have got 7 back in the paper.
Yeah, we spend the time when we are studying, but not like we don't get the exposure or something. जब हमें पता है कि जैसे कि like these times अब हमारा course over है, attendance complete है, तो हम जा सकते हैं because हमें पता है कि हमारा सब कुछ हमारे end से complete है. And teachers don't also force us. उन्हें भी पता है कि they are like कि उन्हें ऐसा नहीं है कि पढ़ो. They are so friendly with us. उन्हें पता है कि बच्चे आए हैं तो मज़े भी करेंगे, नहीं तो फिर college life भी बर्बाद हो जाएगी. ये 3 साल ही हैं, उसके बाद तो जिसकी जॉब लगी तो फिर तो उसे जाना ही है. तो उन्हें भी पता है कि कहाँ इंपॉर्टेंट है, और अगर कहीं ऐसा होता है तो वो हमें थोड़ी फ्रीडम भी देते हैं कि नहीं ठीक है जाओ. बट एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड जो कॉलेज में है कि 1 बजे के बाद ही आप कॉलेज में घूम सकते हैं.
Yeah, so in the Sunstone we have 6 to 7 clubs, and I am the president of the HR club, and RM1 and RI is also a president of different clubs. So we have a clubs. Each and every clubs conducts events and different events by which we can learn something. I would say that confidence and leadership is something which I have improved, which I have gained significantly, which helps in a day-to-day life also, because when I get for example, one of the example of my real life also, when I get the interview call of an internship, when we talk with the confidence, so it builds up like our personality, our the first impression of. So confidence is something which in the day-to-day life which is helping me, and academically is something like the career success day which Sunstone conducts, which really helped us, because in that we have the GD, which is the group discussion, we have the interview and like resume building interview, and we have
mock tests and aptitude tests.
Aptitude test. So we have done, I guess, career success day held maybe 3 times. So it really helped us, because in that we have given so many interviews. So now we don't hesitate. So this is how in academically and in professional life this is how it is helping us.
I am the president of financial club. So I conducted the event in financial club of the trading basically. So first of all, it was on Friday. So I gave like 1 week time. So I conducted the event on Friday. It was the paper money on the app. So I was like, I told them कि ऐसे आपको लगाना है, and here you have to put the money, because I also did trading before also, so I knew कि कैसे करना है and क्या सब करना है. So in that many students participated, and many students also used Nifty 50, and now they are playing with the real money in the trading app.
Okay, so I'm the president of Travel Club, as I really love to travel and really love to explore the new culture. And the placement company, which is Career Launch Club. I have visited Kashmir, so I have visited there Gulmarg, and it is the most beautiful place I have ever visited. And the last month in the November, I traveled to Lansdowne. It's a very underrated place. Maybe people not know about it, but it's a very peaceful place. Like if you want to relax your mind, because I was like going to college, coming from the college, internship work, so I got so tired. So I said to my father, I need a little bit of break. So yeah, we went there, and it is a very peaceful place. The people are really kind there, and yeah, like there are not much people. Like there is no traffic on the roads after 7. Roads are empty, and you can feel the natural vibes and everything.
Basically, I cannot tell the moment, but the journey, it's like amazing. The way where I started, I was like very introvert. पहले तो मैं ऐसे आया था, कॉलेज की पढ़ाई करूँगा और एक अच्छी सी जॉब and all, but as on guest lectures, presentation and everything went, I get to know कि हाँ, एक्सपोजर भी एक चीज़ है, और आपको लाइफ में एक आपका गोल हाँ सेट है, बट एक उसके अंदर हमें पता भी लग जाता है कि आपको ऐसे करना है, एंड स्टेप्स आर ऑल्सो सो इट्स अ हेल्प फ्रॉम द Sunstone only. I feel this.
Okay, so for me the moment was when I conducted the guest lecture. It was in semester 1. So it was a very huge moment for me. I conducted the guest lecture in the auditorium of my college, and Shipra ma'am gave me this opportunity. So yeah, it was the moment in which I think, yeah, I'm doing something. I am where I am at the place where I'm gaining some exposure, experience in terms of professional learning also.
Yeah, so when it comes to the exposure and everything, so like day before, like few days ago, I was thinking about like अगर मैं DU में होती है कहीं और होती तो मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा होता. So मेरे कुछ friends हैं, like she's in the IPU, so उसने काफ़ी सारी internships के लिए apply किया, but she didn't get that because of she didn't able to do the perfect interview, so she did like not selected there. सो या मैंने जब वहाँ देखा एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन आई गो टू द ऑन साइट इंटर्नशिप ऑफ माइन, सो वहाँ पर लाइक इंडिपेंडेंस डे इवेंट हुआ था. सो माई टीम लीडर लाइक शी टोल्ड मी यू नीड टू कंडक्ट दैट इवेंट एंड ऑल द पीपल जो मुझसे सब बड़े थे, सबका एक्सपीरियंस मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा था, बट वहाँ पर मुझे उनके बीच में इवेंट को होस्ट करना था, सब कुछ एंड उनसे इंटरैक्ट भी करना था. सो या एट दैट टाइम आई फेल्ट कि हाँ मेरे को यहाँ से कुछ ऐसा सीखने को मिला जिसने मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना बिल्डअप किया कि मेरे से जो ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं, बड़े लोग हैं जो इस वर्क कल्चर में शायद पता नहीं कितने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, उनके सामने मैं एक कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल पा रही हूँ, मैं एक अच्छा इवेंट कंडक्ट करा पा रही हूँ. इवन लाइक समटाइम ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ होस्ट कर रहे होते तो लोग रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे होते, तो मैं उसे हिलारियस वे में भी लेके जा पा रही हूँ कि हाँ मैं उनके साथ एक मजाक वाला माहौल भी क्रिएट कर पा रही हूँ, तो विद द गुड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड या सो दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई फेल्ट या आई वाज एट द राइट प्लेस. बिकॉज और भी जैसे स्किलिंग पार्टनर्स हैं तो वो सारे इतने ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर अपने स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. लाइक हमारी बात होती है, वी आर फ्रेंड्स विद द अदर स्किलिंग पार्टनर्स, बट विद द सनस्टोन वी आर एबल टू गेट विद द गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड गुड कॉन्फिडेंस.
Basically, the Sunstone app. So, मतलब that how much I have used, I'm telling about that only. कि there are first of all attendance. मतलब it's very easy. Like I have मतलब seen and talked to people like in DU and all कि यार attendance का ये हो रहा है, attendance का वो हो रहा है, तो आप इससे बात करो, फिर attendance बढ़ाओ. So this is the first thing of attendance. And second thing, the R मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं, RLI claims and the syllabus. So the notes and everything are all मतलब all things are available on the Sunstone app. So it's a very good thing which I find about this Sunstone app. RLI claims basically the activities and the achievements we have in the activities. So that's the RLI claim, and it would be added in our resume. So it's pretty good.
So in my journey, my mentor is Shipra Jindal ma'am. She is our faculty and she's been very supporting to all of us. From the day one also, yeah, Arya can also agree with this.
On this point.
Yes.
She's also my mentor.
Like apart from the studies, she teaches us like how to behave, how to do like certain things. Like recent one of my example is I have like updated my resume. So I was thinking that who would guide me that this is like the correct one, or should I make some update or something. So I sent my resume to her and she like replied to me instantly. So these are the small things which I guess none of the faculty has gave us, but she. Yeah.
So basically my mentor is first is obviously mother father, but on the second place I have Neeti ma'am, Shivendra sir and Shipra ma'am. So basically these three are the best teachers I find matlab in my till 12th. These are the best, and I can say कि like Shivendra sir, they give the life lessons. मतलब
Yes.
how to treat मतलब mother father के साथ कैसे रहना है. So basically there was a event we did mass bunk अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले. So जब of a teacher which we don't basically wanted to take the class. So we were like कि हाँ mass bunk करते हैं, and we went. So Shivendra sir को पता लगा. So Shivendra sir was like यहाँ पे आप इतनी फीस दे रहे हो, यहाँ पे आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, सो आप अपने मदर फादर की मनी वेस्ट कर रहे हो. सो मतलब एक वो इमोशनल अटैचमेंट भी हो जाती है कि हाँ यार पैसे तो ख़राब कर रहे हैं एंड ऐसा. सो इट्स अ थिंग. एंड शिप्रा मैम शी गाइड्स इन द मतलब not life lesson, basically academics and in the career management. And Neeti ma'am मतलब she is a मतलब very good मतलब HOD you can say. So she basically also tells कि आपको ऐसे behave करना है, यहाँ पे कैमरा है तो आप ऐसे मत करो, सही से बैठो. She also teaches. So मतलब these three are the best. This is the very good thing. मतलब ये तीनों चीज़ मतलब तीनों में बहुत अच्छी है कि they pick up the call भी they also pick up. मतलब स्कूल में ऐसा होता था कि 8 बजे के बाद कॉल नहीं या 5 बजे के बाद कॉल नहीं, बट this is very prominent. Shipra ma'am bhi, Shivendra sir bhi, Neeti ma'am, if one message या call bhi they will also pick, but it's very good.
Yeah, so when it comes to the college journey, I have firstly mentioned the Shipra ma'am. She is my favorite one. शी इज़ द वन, लाइक उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प करी है मेरी जर्नी में भी. एंड मेरा रेज्यूम जो सिलेक्ट हुआ था इन दैट कंपनी इज बिकॉज ऑफ हर ओनली, बिकॉज मैंने भी उन्हें अपना रेज्यूम भेजा था. एंड आई हैव मेंशन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन दैट. सो शी सेड कि नहीं, इसे कंसाइज करो, हेडर्स मेंटेन करो एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक मेरी लाइफ टाइम में मैंने अपनी किसी टीचर से अपनी कोई पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम या ऐसा कुछ शेयर नहीं किया, बट शी इज़ द वन जिनके साथ मैंने अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम भी शेयर किया है. आई एम रियली रियली वेरी क्लोज टू हर. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू बिफोर BBA, जैसा कि मैंने कहा था कि मैंने BSc के लिए लाइक अप्लाई किया था, बट देयर वाज माय मैथ्स टीचर, एज आई हैव डन साइंस फ्रॉम बोथ बायो एंड मैथ्स. सो देयर वाज माय मैथ्स टीचर, ही वॉज अ वेरी काइंड टीचर. तो उन्होंने मुझे उस टाइम पे, मतलब मैंने उनसे ना, ही इज़ अ काउंसलर ऑल्सो, तो मैंने उनसे बात करी थी कि सर आई वॉन्ट टू डू द MBA, मेरे को MBBS नहीं करना, मेरे को क्लियर हो गया, आई एम क्लियर विद माई फ्यूचर. सो उन्होंने कहा तो तुम BSc क्यों कर रहे हो? मैंने कहा कि लाइक क्योंकि मुझे क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर मान लो कि MBA के बाद मेरा नहीं करियर स्कोप बन पाता है, सो दैट BSc इन मैथमेटिक्स will be the second option for me. But उन्होंने कहा कि and then he told me about BBA. तो मैंने कहा कि सर यूजुअली लोग कहते हैं कि BBA के बाद पैकेज अच्छा नहीं है एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो उन्होंने कहा कि किसने कहा, मेरे भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, दे आर हैविंग अ हेल्दी पैकेज ऑफ 10 to 12 LPA, बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि आप कैसे कर रहे हो, कौन से कॉलेज से कर रहे हो. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि आप कैसे चीज़ें करते हो. तो फ्रॉम देयर आई नो अबाउट द BBA, then I searched about it and he was really right. And also like he is also a CAT tutor, so I'm obviously going to consult with him how should I prepare and all this.
Basically word of advice would be this only, अगर आपको बिजनेस भी करना है चाहे जॉब करना है, यू नीड टू हैव अ सेट ऑफ एक्शन. मतलब एक तुम्हारे दिमाग में सेटअप होना चाहिए कि अगर मेरे को मार्केटिंग में जाना है तो मार्केटिंग में ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन दोनों है, तो उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है, उनके एम्प्लॉयज़ को कैसे हैंडल करना है. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन HR, बेसिकली शी इज़ द HR, सो मतलब HR में भी जाना है तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे हैंडल करना है. फाइनेंशियल में कर रहे हो तो फाइनेंशियल में यू शुड नो कि कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कि हाँ उसके अंदर आपको यहाँ पे डेबिट करना है, यहाँ क्रेडिट करना है, एवरीथिंग इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो BBA बेसिकली यू कैन से इज़ अ फाउंडेशन फॉर द बिजनेस एंड फॉर जॉब बोथ. एंड वन थिंग आई वांट टू मतलब ऐड ऑन कि बेसिकली BBA एक कोर्स है जिसके अंदर ना आपको एक्सपोजर भी पूरा मिल सकता है. एक पढ़ाई का भी मिलेगा, प्रैक्टिकल भी मिलेगा. थ्योरी इतनी नहीं है, थ्योरी है बिकॉज इट्स नीडेड, बट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इट्स लाइक वेरी गुड. आप इसके अंदर अगर अपने लेक्चर भी बंक करते हो तो इट्स लाइक कि हाँ आप उसको कवर अप कर सकते हो एंड उसको आपको एक एक्सपोजर ही मिलेगा. लेकिन जो और बाकी सारे कोर्सेज हैं लाइक BCA एंड ऑल, सो BCA में भी आपको खाली कंप्यूटर में करना है. यू नीड टू डू कोडिंग, पाइथन एंड ऑल, C++, जिसके आज कोर्सेज भी हैं. बट मतलब आई फील BBA इज़ द मोस्ट unique course you need, matlab you have to do versatile.
Yes.
Right.
So I have a crisp advice for the students who are in the 12th or who basically want to pursue BBA. Guys, don't go after on the things that you listen in the market, because there are two types of students basically in the BBA. One who actually studies and one who actually makes the fake rumors. If you are interested in business, if you want to go into the multiple fields like HR, marketing, sales and marketing, like finance, so go for the BBA. It's a very good course. You will get the exposure of so many things. So
yeah, the same advice, like if anyone wants to do the BBA, तो दिस इज़ अ मिथ कि BBA करने के बाद आपका पैकेज नहीं लगेगा, या फिर जो भी मीम्स इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक पे वायरल होते हैं, दिस इज़ ऑल अ मिथ. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि आप कैसे चीज़ें कर रहे हो. एंड BBA इज़ अ रियली फाउंडेशन डिग्री. वो आपको लाइक बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट, जैसे रश्मि ने मेंशन किए, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग, मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट सिखाता है. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट वो आपको एक डेकोरम सिखाता है, वो आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग सिखाता है, आपको लाइक प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट में कैसे रहना है वो सिखाता है. एंड इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर बोथ, जिसको बिजनेस करना है, जिसको किसी भी कंपनी में जाना है, किसी भी प्रोफाइल के लिए जाना है. ये दोनों ही तरीके की, चाहे आपको टेक फील्ड में जाना है, चाहे आपको मैनेजमेंट फील्ड में जाना है. बट BBA इज़ अ वेरी कोर कि अगर आप इसको करते हो तो आप बहुत अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस, एक डेकोरम अपने अंदर और लाइक पेशेंस एंड पंक्चुअलिटी डेवलप कर सकते हो. सो या अगर आपको करना है, सो आप प्रॉपर एक माइंडसेट पहले क्लियर कर लो कि व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, क्योंकि अगर आपको यही क्लियर नहीं है कि करना क्या है तो उस बेसिस पे फिर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे. सो क्लियर योर विजन कि व्हाट यू नीड टू डू एंड आफ्टर दैट टेक योर डिसीजन.
Okay, so I'm very clear with my vision that I want to pursue MBA from the certain college which I have decided, like FMS and TIS Mumbai. So I want to pursue my MBA in the specialization in the human resource only. That's why I'm from the graduation only I'm focusing on that. I'm doing the courses which are HR oriented. I'm doing the internship so that I can get the exposure of the practical learning. So yeah, my plans are clear and I want to pursue human resource. So as I've mentioned that I wanted to do psychology. It is something people oriented. Yeah, so like talking to people, know about them and all of that. So due to some reasons I couldn't able to do the psychology. So I didn't know about the HR when I came into BBA. So I got to know that it is something which is also people oriented. We have to tackle the people, we have to get indulged into them and all of that. So this is one thing which fascinates me a lot, because I don't want to do that, because when I hear about the 9 to 5, like I don't want to sit on the table and working on the laptop. I want to be versatile with the things. When you talk to people, you don't stuck on certain things, because when we talk to the people we gain something. So this is one thing which really fascinates me. That's why HR.
Okay, so my future plan is I also want to do the MBA, and after my 3rd semester I'm going to start for the CAT preparation, and I want to be in the IIM Bangalore. It's my dream college because my dream company is Google, so I want to be placed there, and I hope I will. I'll try my best till my core, like I'll do everything, because I am maintaining this like the good CGPA and all these things while people are doing the bunks and all. As I am a class representative, so you student usually say कि यार तू CR है, तू bunk कर लेगी तो क्लास के सब बच्चे कर लेंगे. मैं कहा नहीं यार, मुझे नहीं करना, because I have to need to maintain my attendance and my marks so that कि सब कुछ maintained रहे, ताकि मेरे को बाद में जाके problems ना हो. बिकॉज मुझे जहाँ जाना है वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए, लाइक इन द IIMs, वो भले ही कैट का कोर्स देखते हैं, बट ऑल्सो सॉ योर लाइक बच्चे और अंडर ग्रेजुएशन CGPA and all these things. So I need to maintain that. So I want to be in that college so that I can get my dream company.
So basically मतलब they are both like MBA and all. So मतलब I have also heard about MBA that IIM is the best college, ABC, Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Chennai. So I was like कि हाँ ये करेंगे, but I was मतलब I talked to my sisters. My 2 sisters once has completed the MBA from IIM only, and she's in Swiss Bank, and one is pursuing the MBA in Bangalore. So I talked to them. So they said कि आप paper दे सकते हो, and in that you can see what's the percentile and all. So I got to know कि 99.9 percentile is the thing that we need for the IIM. So there I was like little shocked कि हाँ 99.9. So I dropped it, and I thought about doing the business of doing the job for at least 6 months, where I can get the exposure कि हाँ आपको चीज़ें work कैसे करनी है, how the HR, how the CEO, how the company manager talks to you, and how they हैंडल द एम्प्लॉय थिंग्स कि अगर ये इशू आया तो कैसे हैंडल करना है, अगर ये इशू आया तो कैसे हैंडल करना है. आफ्टर दैट आई विल be running my own business, and I hope I will be doing another startup which would be a great success.